how to create a click or reach campaign on Peasy. So a click and a reach campaign have very similar steps. So in this example, I'm just going to show how to create a click campaign, but you can apply the same steps and instruction if you intend to create a reach and impression campaign as well. Unlike the traffic conversion, engagement, and lead campaign, the reach and click campaign is the only two objective where Peasy support omni-channel, meaning if you have connected your Google and Facebook ad account to Peasy, both this campaign will allow you to create a media plan that transcends beyond Facebook and Google and Instagram as well. So it can be across all three channels. Traffic conversion, engagement, and lead campaign only support Facebook and Instagram deployment. So let's start by selecting click as an objective. Key in your campaign name as usual. Minimum is 10 characters length. Specify your campaign duration. Specify your media spend. Key in your target number of clicks that you want to achieve, and the location that you are targeting. Again, as usual, our AI would provide a prediction, a forecast of how many clicks you can achieve with this campaign even before you kickstart spending. And along with that, our AI will recommend the audience segment to target, the channel to use, the bid to set, as well as the budget split between the audience segment, 25%, 25%, and also the budget split across all the different channels. Now, as you can see, compared to the traffic conversion, lead, and engagement campaign, one of the major difference is that Google is included as a media channel. Now, I can actually edit this by changing this number here. So for this particular audience segment, I want to let Peasy know that I only want to use Facebook and Instagram. I want to exclude Google entirely from my media plan for this audience segment. But for this three other audience segment, I would like to use Google. Now, the reason I'm doing that is that I want to show you an example of what are the differences between Google supported creative and Facebook supported creative. For Google, the only supported creative are still image. So I can only upload still images such as this. But for Facebook, we support both videos, image, and carousel. So I could actually select a few of this as a carousel. And I can select another one, which is a video. Now, if you recall, only this audience segment, it's entirely free of Google. So the only audience segment that I can select for this image, oh, I forgot to update here. The only audience that I can select for this, because this is a video, and for this, because this is a carousel, is only that particular audience segment earlier on. So for this, on the other hand, I can select every audience segment. And before I can save, as usual, I have to key in the primary text. select the call to action. And click Save. And if I want to publish as usual, click Save and Publish. That's it.